Yo. Tuesday stream, back at it. We're on gold. London session. London has just opened 11 minutes ago, so I'm going to do a bit of top-down analysis and then talk through what I'm looking for in order to take a trade today. Real quick as well, if you're watching this, drop a subscribe. Subscribe to my shit, dude. Do it. I'll give you $1. All right, so I'm gonna start the weekly. Man, I haven't really done like a top-down analysis of gold since last week. Look at that last week. So this is on the weekly. Last week, boom. Just one big bullish candle. How many wicks is that? How many pips? 850 pip move last week. So you got to think, what's the probability of what's going to happen the following week? So there wasn't much of a wick. So this could either indicate, because there wasn't much of a wick at the bottom either. So this could either indicate really strong momentum to continue up, or it can indicate no range now. It hasn't wicked up, so there's no range that's been created up there. So that indecision, that indecisiveness of like, oh, should we go up there? Should we dabble in there? Like the buyers, like the pressure on the buyers to continue pushing gold up is a bit all over the place now, because it's all-time highs and it left no wick. So is there going to be enough momentum for buyers to continue to push it up, or will sellers take control and continue to push it down? The weeks, it's been 1.5 days now. So far we've pushed down, but buyers are obviously pushing back up. Can we just see a wick that's being created now for a continuation up? I don't know. So we'll have to wait and see. So that's what the weekly's looking like. Let's go to the daily. Yes, very interesting. So yesterday we got a big drop. I thought this whole candle was going to get filled. We got a big drop, and then when New York session came in, it pushed it straight back up. And now we're still kind of hanging around in this all-time high area on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hourly. So a bit of a fake out yesterday, back up into this consolidation area. So we're kind of just consolidated in this area for the last day and a bit. Let's go to the 1-hourly. And this is where I'll mark up what I'm looking for in order to take a trade today. I'm looking at two regions. One. Two. This is all I'm looking at. So I need price to either get to here or here. And when it does, I'm looking for a particular type of candle formation and closure for either a continuation up or a continuation down. So that's what I'm looking for. I'll just lock these. And I'll put a bit of text. Boom. Should we make this? No, it's all right. Actually, I could even... this is interesting, this little area, this little support that's been created here. This is potentially an area as well. potentially an area here as well. What's the pip count from there down? Yep, 35 pips. I actually will. If I get the right type of closure in this area, I'll take a sell here as well. And now we wait. No, we wait. Man, I've been following. Oh, I haven't been following it. I've watched this guy's. There's this guy. He's got like this random YouTube channel. He's probably only got like 100 subscribers, but he shares his live trades, and all he does is blow accounts live. Like, I'm questioning whether it's like a like satire, but I don't think it is. And it's crazy. And he's also been trading for like 20 years. And like traders would know, like when you trade on tilt, where you're completely spiraling out of control. Like, pray to God I never get to that position again, but I've been there before. That's all that this guy trades like. And it's the craziest thing to watch. Like, oh, I don't know why I thought of it, but I've watched a few of his videos and it's just like, man, I've been there. I feel your pain, brother. I feel your pain. You got to get out of that. Like whenever you're trading on tilt or you feel that you're emotionally compromised, like everyone says it, but it just has to be done. You have to stop trading. You just have to close the computer down and just come back the next day. Very interesting. Look at gold pushing. If it can push a bit more and get a break up here, Could get a setup happening. It's so like we have this wick here, so if it were to close here, it has to get past that wick, which I think it will. But it's just so funny, the game of trading. Like no day is the same. Like it's this infinitely changing game that you have to master every single day. And it's just the best. I love trading so much. Like it's just the best. It's just the ultimate challenge, even though it's brought me to my knees many times. It is the ultimate challenge with the ultimate reward. Weird volume. For it to completely reject and then push back up like that is pretty crazy. It's good though, because I would rather it kind of creep up instead of leaving like a 30 pip 15-minute candle for a continuation up, because it's like, what are the chances of there continuing to be multiple 30 wick candles, as opposed to it like, you know, 2 15-minute candles, then a bit of support being formed, and then a continuation up. That's ideal. And you can see all these, you can see that where I've got this area where I want to buy above. You've got all these wicks, and it's like, well, why do you want to buy in that specific area above that specific area? Like the wicks kind of seem random, but it's actually based on the closures on the 15 minutes. So whatever one's the highest, whichever closure is the highest area, which is here, that's where I'll base my area of interest on. Not the wicks, but on the 15-minute closure. And it doesn't matter because on the 30 it's going to show a wick, but on the 15 I know that's the area where it got up to and closed, so that's my highest area. And same with the bottom, but on the 30 it'll show just wicks. That's where the 15-minute candles come in handy the most, because even if this comes up here and a 15-minute candle closes above that area of interest, I'm waiting for a 30-minute candle to close up there. But if a 15-minute candle closes up there, which I have a feeling it might, it's a very interesting position to be in, because you got to go, okay, the 15-minute candle isn't a strong confirmation, and you kind of have to weigh up your options. And if you want to take a buy for a continuation, but I've also got to be, you've also got to be okay with it going without you. I'd rather miss a trade than lose a trade. Like it looks like it's pushing here, but I just can't take it. I have to accept that I'll miss it. If it goes past this wick, I'll be very surprised, and it will probably just continue, and then I'll have to just say, you know what, I missed the trade. But if not, we could have something. But the way it's been the last few days, like, there's just been fucking heaps of volume in the London session. So who knows? Who knows at this point in life? Look at it. There's just not much I can do there. Like what are you gonna do? I need, for my strategy, I need candles to close. It's only 12 pips. I need candles to close. But yeah, it's just kind of been doing this the last few days where it's just pushed and given you no kind of indication that it's doing so either. Just see you later. But yeah, if this does it continue, it's about to break all-time highs. But if it does continue, I'll probably just call it a day, because I would need some structure to get formed, and that will take a couple of hours. But if it wicks back down, back into this kind of area, I'll hang out and look for an entry. It just tapped back into that all-time high. Looks like it's just going to continue, to be honest. That's the only shit thing about like my strategy. Like if it goes without me, I'm kind of done. Like, there's not a whole bunch I can do. So I do miss trades pretty often. I've been working on it. I've been trying to figure it out with backtesting, like how can I catch trades, but while still like kind of executing my own strategy, but it's still like, it's risky. That's the only thing. Like I can catch them, but the risk is much higher. Like you just wouldn't know that a 15-minute candle would just push up 46 pips and just boom, nearly 50 pips just like that. If this wicks down a little bit and the next one forms and then breaks that high, I'll take an impulse entry. Looks like this will just shoot up right now, considering it's just breaking the all-time high right there. Yeah, that's what I was expecting to happen. Just get a massive shoot. Like what the fuck? Like how do you trade that? You just can't. That's why I was kind of hoping it would go down today, because like once it gets in these like unknown areas, it's just like kind of unpredictable. It just does crazy shit. Like bruh, It's this 15-minute candle is nearly pushing 100 pips. That's at 70 something pips. It's like, what the fuck, dude? Wow. Wow. What the shit? Like, what do you do with that? $85 pips. Oh my god. I'll see if this can wick down a little bit, and if it breaks its own high, I'll look at taking a small buy, but yeah, this is a shit trade. Real shit trade. Yeah, that sucks. Absolute dicks. Like, it just goes, gives no indications. It's like, see ya. You're not getting on this, bruh. Crazy. Yeah, so that's a big all-time high for gold. Looks like it's rejecting pretty hard now. I'll probably end the stream in a sec, because that's my opportunity kind of gone, really. I could wait for like some support and stuff to be formed, but it'll take a while. Yeah, I won't take a trade today. That's me done. All right, I am out. I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully, like an opportunity actually arises other than like some impulse of trying to jump on the momentum. There was really no indication there. It was just like, cool, see you later. But all good, all good. I'll be back tomorrow.